Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the message notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy S25, whether you're using the standard model, the Plus, or the Ultra. If you're tired of the default sound and want something more personal or fun, this guide is for you. So, let's jump right in. Start by opening your settings and heading into the notifications section. From there, you'll want to find the advanced settings. Inside, there's an option called Manage Notification Categories for each app. You need to make sure this option is turned on. This allows you to customize notifications for individual apps, like Messages. Once that's done, go back and find the App Notifications section at the top. Look for the Messages app in the list and tap on it. Inside that, you'll see something called Notification Categories. Tap that, and then choose Incoming Messages. Now you'll see a setting for sound. Just tap on it, and you'll be able to pick from a variety of tones. You can preview them before selecting the one you like. If you have your own custom sound saved on your phone, you can use that too. And that's all there is to it. You've now customized your message notification sound to match your style. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more Samsung tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.